the recipe and the link to the original creator of this recipe down below. Her name is, I believe, Brenda Blanco. And she said start with one very ripe banana. And then you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of mayo. And then you're going to apply it to the hair and just leave it in for about an hour to 2 hours. I'm going to just test it for an hour. And you're supposed to apply it from root to tip. What would be really cool is to put this in the mayo squeeze jar and then like apply it to the hair as though you're like doing someone's roots or something. I don't know. Should I do that? Don't let anything go to waste, ladies. Oh my goodness. It does not smell as bad as you would think, actually. I don't know why. I don't know if I'm just getting used to it or what. I don't know if any of you guys have actually ever had a baby throw up on you. I have, like twice. This is what it looks like, I swear to God. There's so much. Okay, take note, when making this recipe, you might need to like have certain things, or if you do this at home and if the results are good, I might play around with it. I might put less of some things. If you have thick or long hair or both, this is going to be a great recipe. But if you have short hair, this is going to last you like, I don't even know, 1 massive month. I want to only see mayo in my hair and banana. Nothing else. We're down to the last bit. Okay, finally. As you can see, all up in my spots, my patches. Ah. There would be a hole in this, my God. I recommend taking an old bag if there's already a hole in. That way your hair could breathe a little bit. And what I'm gonna do probably is either make some hot towels and wrap it around so that way some heat can get in, or use a blow dryer and kind of blow it into the little hole here so that way this like blows up a little bit and gets some heat. But yeah, I'll see you guys back in an hour. So I just want you guys to be able to see this. This is what it looks like up close. I've coated it and fully saturated my hair to the best of my abilities. And I'm going to double shampoo now. First impressions. It wasn't too difficult to wash out. Like I used I did 2 shampoos. I used raw shampoo. I didn't use this one though. I could have. This is a clarifying shampoo. I used my shampoo from Formulate just because I wanted to see if a shampoo without silicones and sulfates were able to get it out. That's fine. I still smell it a little bit. You know when like something smells bad, but it kind of smells good. Like that's what I was getting with. Not getting with it. That's kind of where I was going with it. And I just kind of like scrunched up a little bit with my t-shirt. And I haven't put any conditioner in it because I just want to see how my hair holds up. And I'm not going to use any heat styling because everyone's hair looks better heat style. So yeah, I'll let you know once it's fully dry. Hey guys, so I'm walking my dog right now. My hair is almost done like air drying and everything like that. And I don't know if you could see how like fluffy it is, because I'm sure you could probably see that like it looks frizzy. But this is my hair without putting on like any conditioner, putting on any styling products or anything like that. And it looks really, really good. And sorry, see Foxy? Foxy, say hi!
But I just want to say that even though the masking process was kind of a mess, overall I think the DIY was a success, and I can't wait to see some more. So yeah, have a good day.